The car really is looking quite good. I mean, just look at that shine. This car is 15 years old, never been polished in its life, at least not by me. But yet, just after one clean by the guys at Detailing Mafia Chennai, the car really is looking really swag. So guys, this just goes to show, wait, let me first show you the interior. Yeah, you remember the door pad, how dirty it was? Well, that's how it looks right now. The interior too is really nice and clean. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up and take a second to subscribe also. And remember to stay safe.